Tired of those cold winter drafts putting the chill on your home? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a strategy to stop them in their tracks right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. Drafts in a home can come from a lot of sources, but something a lot of people overlook is the door threshold. You know, that plate that runs across the bottom of your exterior doorways. Giving it a little bit of attention may help you stop the chill of winter. On most newer homes, the threshold is adjustable. The wood or metal plate has several screws in it, and by tightening or loosening those screws, the threshold can be raised or lowered so that it seals the bottom of the door tightly. Older homes may have a rubber gasket that tucks into slots in a metal plate. That gasket can get compressed or torn over time and may need to be replaced. In either case, your home will be a lot more comfortable if you stop the winter wind at the door. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.